just in case there's any doubt. 240 metres, 7%. Don't you just love it? And I must have already come up 500 metres at about 15% in stages. It's 240, it's only 240 steps, isn't it? When you think how many steps you do in a day or how many steps you do in a lifetime, it's a blink of an eye. But when you're in the moment, Jesus, look at this. Memories. Shut up. Life's going to be pretty boring when I get back to the UK. Well, that's probably about 50 metres. It's a fifth of the way. No, I mustn't do that. 2 hands on the wheel, on the steering. They obviously expect it to be a problem at some times of the year with these ridges in the concrete. Maybe they just have trouble laying concrete at that angle. Well, at least it's not raining. Rained last night. I think we've got this weather for the next 2 days. I think it'll rain tomorrow. Busan's looking unlikely for Thursday now at this rate. Today's Wednesday, maybe 40 miles, maybe, I don't know. Thursday, I think I've probably got about another, it depends where I go in Busan, I suppose. I'm on the outskirts, I'll probably reach it tomorrow. Oh God, that's more than 7%. Oh, because they've averaged it out, haven't they? 240. Average 7%. This is more like 12 to 15, maybe 15. Which I suppose it is percentages they're talking, so, and not degrees. Never quite sure why there should be the 2. Why not just keep it degrees? Oh, a little bit of a flat here, look. Now, do you get on and ride? Or do you say, no, I'm enjoying the walk, bugger it, I'm going to carry on walking? Clonk, 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 clonk. Fruit trees. There's some back there as well. Old ones. Because these would have all been flowering, wouldn't they? A little while ago, they're forming fruit now already. You've got to be a hardy soul, haven't you? Working fruit on this incline. Hard workers, the Koreans. They are hard workers. I was talking to that my sort of landlady in Daegu City, and she's separated from her husband. No, hang on. They are apart at the moment because he's away working in Seoul. So I said, well, how long has he gone for? So she said, he goes for 3 months. I said, so you don't see him for 3 months? She said, no. She said, that's just the way of life here in Korea for a lot of people. She's running a guest house and he's away working. And they're prepared to sacrifice. So I said, well, if he comes back, how long will he be back for? She said, maybe a week. She told me how old she was. She said she's 51, and she was saying that they're getting to a stage now where they're realising they've got to stop this, spend time together and start enjoying life. But of course, the evil is in the background, isn't it? That's the money. And anywhere you are now in the world, you need bloody money, and quite a bit of it. Oh wow, spraying the fruit trees. She said sometimes she gets on a train and goes up to see him, maybe once or twice. I said, what do you do when you see him? She said, well, we go shopping. I thought, oh, geez, nothing changes, does it? Round the corner, what awaits? Looks temptingly like a downhill. For every downhill there's an uphill, and vice versa. Three more kilometres of this, roughly. That's where the checkpoint is for if you're doing the certification route of the 4 rivers, where you put a stamp on your card at every checkpoint. I wasn't having any of that, too much pressure. Right, okay, not really a downhill, but rideable, just to keep your legs working. Red, I don't like those red signs. Probably warning of a very steep climb or a very steep fall. Blue line's useful. You ain't still this bloody. Look at that, there's a cycle rack over there. I'll show you that. Oh, and a seat. Oh, it is a downhill. Interesting. Alright, let's get your feet on the pedals properly. Any accidents, and then just enjoy this. Give the legs a rest. Beware of anything too hard. It's rideable. Yeah, this is a little bit faster than walking, so I'll take it. Yeah, it's bloody hard work, but I'm glad I've done this. There was another route, and I'm not sure whether it would have been worse, better or worse. This is like the official route. I had the same thing yesterday, didn't I? And I ended up on that bloody mountain bike trail. But, you know, I'm glad I did it, because I've done it. Yes! Is this rideable? The roads are wet and covered in these pine doodahs, so I don't really want to go herring downhill on bends. Too high a risk of slip, especially with the weight on the front. that goes, there's no way I can get that back up again. That will just, I'll just go over. So I might have to walk this one. Okay, let's see what's around the corner. No, walk it, don't exert unnecessarily.